Germany is one of the few countries that owns an airborne armor force, typically the lightest armor vehicle in the world, the Wiesel 2.7 tons. This force is planning to equip a new line of armor vehicles, the LuWa. This is a product developed jointly by ACS, FFG and Valhalla Turrets. Currently, the vehicle is still in the process of testing and final evaluation. The LuWa was developed as a light armor combat vehicle, specially designed for airborne forces. It is intended to replace the Wiesel airborne armor vehicles in service with the German army. In its basic form, the LuWa is a reconnaissance and fire support vehicle in a compact and lightweight design, suitable for parachuting. The hull is equipped with two large bulletproof windows at the front and one additional small window on each side, offering a 180-degree view for the crew. LuWa's drive system is quite unique based on independent twin-track suspension, each including 3 road wheels and 1 return roller. This vehicle has dual electric drive with 4 motors. Each driving sprocket has its own electric motor. The vehicle has good off-road performance due to its tracked configuration and lightweight. According to reports, the LuWa can reach a maximum speed of 70 km per hour and has a range of 300 km. The roof of the vehicle is fitted with an unmanned weapons station armed with one 30mm cannon developed by the Slovenian company Valhalla Turrets. The 30mm automatic cannon can engage targets at a maximum firing range of 3,000 meters, compatible with a wide range of ammunition types, as well as the APFS DST, providing extensive armor penetration against current and future battlefield threats. Maneuverability is provided by dual electric hybrid power pack, offering silent running mode. NBC protection system is also fitted. The vehicle is operated by a crew of 2, seated in tandem. The vehicle can be reconfigured to suit multiple roles, such as an anti-tank missile carrier with Spike LR2 anti-tank missiles, motor carrier, armor ambulance, reconnaissance vehicle, radar carrier, air defense missile carrier, and so on.